Hey everyone, this is Shreya and I'm back with another video in which we are going to learn the usage of look. आज हम देखेंगे कि look word को कहाँ और कैसे यूज किया जाता है. Look का मतलब होता है देखना, but जब हम look word के बाद कोई और preposition यूज करते हैं तो meaning gets changed. Let's see. First is look for. Look for का मतलब होता है ढूंढना, to search. For example, what are you looking for? आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? Or we can say, my brother is looking for the keys. Next, look after. It means to take care, ख्याल रखना. For example, parents look after their children. Or we can say, we must look after our health. The third is look down upon. Look down upon means किसी को नीचा दिखाना. Like, don't look down upon the poor. Or we can say, upper class people used to look down upon the lower caste. अब look at का मतलब होता है देखना. For example, look at the board, look at his face, like this. Next, look into. Look into means to investigate, जांच पड़ताल करना. For example, police will look into this matter. Or we can say, court has asked CBI to look into this matter or in this case. Next is look on. हम look on की जगह look upon भी बोल सकते हैं. It means to consider, समझना या मानना. For example, I look on you as my brother. Means मैं तुम्हें अपना भाई समझता हूँ या अपना भाई मानता हूँ. Instead of saying look on, we can say look upon. She looks upon me as her elder sister. I hope you are clear with these usage of look and you will use it at a right place.